Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Rashidi. My metric number is 01GPU20F0137. Today, I will present air conditioning and refrigerant control system about four-way valve and relief valve. For introduction, what is four-way valve? Four-way valve use a series of ports to control fluid flow in different directions using a single valve. Design can have a single inlet port with 3 outlet ports or 2 end outlet port to control flow from 2 direction source. This valve can be operated manually or powered by air, hydraulic fluid or electricity. A four-way valve is used to completely reverse the cycle of a heating pump system on by one. Such valve can be used to facilitate the use of system for heating and cooling, or to provide effective or energetically optimized defrosting method. Next, for introduction about relief valve. What is relief valve? Relief valve has a purpose quite different from the previous valve. They are designed to release excessive pressure that built in equipment and piping system. To prevent major damage to equipment and more importantly injured to workers, relief valve can release elevated pressure before they become extreme. Alright. For the function, what function of a relief valve? Relief valves are designed to control pressure in system, often in liquid or compressed air system. This valve opens in proportion to the increase in the system pressure. This means they don't fly completely when the system is slightly stressed. Okay, next, for operational method. A pressure relief valve is installed in a refrigerant system primarily to protect the receiver. Since it is not intended to be an overload or high pressure cutout, we recommended that the pressure relief valve be set at the working pressure mark on the receiver, regardless of the types of refrigerant used. Alright, next we go for the types of relief valve. For the number one, conventional relief valve. A conventional safety relief valve is a spring-loaded pressure relief valve characterized by a rapid opening pop action. Conventional safety relief valves are not used for applies where excessive variable or built-up back pressure is not present in the system. Okay, alright. So we go to how it works. How conventional work? Use a spring to keep the valve closed until the process nearest the set pressure. The spring force pushes the valve this against the nozzle seat, keeping the valve closed. Process pressure exerts on opposing force on the disc. For the number two, balance bellow. Balance pressure relief valve bellows types. A balance pressure relief valve is a spring-loaded pressure relief valve which incorporates a bellow or other means of balancing the valve disc to minimize the effect of back pressure on the performance of characteristics of the valve. Next, we go to how balance bellow work. Balance bellow is able to eliminate the impact of the back pressure because the pressure from the back pressure is applied to both sides of the bellow and is offset. Alright, for the last types of relief valve is pilot operated. Pilot operated valve are pressure relief valve that control the main valve, inlet and outlet port. They are similar to spring-loaded valve, but the best alternative solution for achieve the highest pressure and highest capacity. The valve offer excellent performance for overpressure protection. Next, we go to how it works. How it works. The pilot opens when you increase the pressure and reach the set point. It disconnects the upper part of the piston. The pressure is a direct vacuum to the atmosphere, making the piston open and relieving the main valve total capacity. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.